What is going on? Okay, so I'm finishing up a video on when I reprimed this, and that's what I'll be going over on this video. Basically, I went through, hit up some spots with epoxy that I broke through to bare metal, and then I hit it with high build again. So this is essentially reprimed. And then I didn't video this in this video, but I also did the hood. So the hood is done also. That I basically just resanded it, epoxied it again, and then hit it with high build. I think like 2.5 coats on that. So we'll see where that is. This has been sitting for a few weeks. I just basically covered it up because I've been working on other stuff in the bay, but I didn't want to get like dust and everything on it, and it's been basically sitting for about 3 weeks now, 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks. Since that's been covered up, I've been working on the bay, wanting to, I guess, do as much as I can on the truck while the high build is firming up. So I've been working on the bay, filming it with a GoPro, so there'll be a lot of long time-lapse stuff because I didn't bring this camera out here to film, and I'm not really a fan of the GoPro filming, but I try to do as much as I can just to have some context of what I'm doing on the truck. But anywho, let's get into the video of me re-priming and epoxying the truck and go from there. GoPro stop. Anywho, that's it for now. I will do the high build tomorrow. I'll be back. All right, the truck is back in high build. Both sides, both fenders, the tailgate. I have both the taillight buckets, gas door, driver's side. The roof, cowl, front, all back in high build. Kind of like deja vu, but kind of glad this is done. Hopefully now I can sand it, and this will be the last, I guess, sanding, and then hopefully go to sealer and base, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I'm sure something will come up and I'll have to fix something, maybe, who knows, maybe I'll get lucky and everything will just look great. I didn't need to do too much as it was to it, but there was some spots for sure that had some deep scratches and some low spots, so hopefully I got those out with this. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked to how things turned out. So anywho, I'm gonna wait probably a couple weeks till this stuff hardens up, and then I'll get to sanding on it. I guess just to show you these cups, you can see how much this stuff has shrunk up. That's quite a bit. So that's kind of why I'm waiting a couple weeks to sand it. But yeah, I just don't want issues later, so I'm gonna let it cure for a couple weeks and then get to sanding on it again. So, but anywho, that's where I'm at, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.